And hello, welcome to No Fear Cooking. I'm Magda,
I'm Nathaniel.
and we are going to cook our dinner for Christmas.
Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas. We don't know if we're doing a Christmas video yet. We might. But we got this out ahead of time so you can make this on Christmas. This is a bacon wrapped turkey? Is that what you're calling it? Turkey.
It's turkey tenderloin.
Okay, bacon wrapped turkey tenderloin. We're making two versions.
Yes.
One with Dijon mustard, one without Dijon mustard.
This is the turkey tenderloin.
It's the turkey tenderloin.
And there are two pieces, Nathaniel, in a pack like this. I'll open the pack for you to see. But right in the back, it's telling you the direction, how to cook it. And it's really, I follow on this one, the directions like that. It's 1 hour and 20 minutes to bake at 350.
So preheat your oven 350, get it ready to go. And it's going to take a while. Prep, from my understanding, is like 10 minutes. So 10 minutes of prep.
Yeah.
And then we're baking it in the oven for 1 hour and 20.
Yes.
It's an important time to remind everyone. Yes. The recipe, that's the word I was looking for, is in the description. So if you don't want to watch this video, again, you're breaking my heart, my mom's heart, but it's okay. You can still get the recipe down below you and then go read it there and then come back and watch. How about that?
And subscribe.
Subscribe.
Even if you watch 1 minute, just there, like... We are doing we think we do. We try to do a good job
we think
to
we do
explain.
Yeah. How do we start this?
So let's start this. Nathaniel, would you do the salt and pepper? About a teaspoon.
On this plate?
Oh, yes, on this plate, yeah, because we have to wrap it. A teaspoon for each
side or
tenderloin on both sides.
Both sides.
Yes. And I'll help you with the next. Yeah. So no, it's too much. Just not really even hip. Yep, that's good. Okay. I'll turn around this way.
You want me to do the full teaspoon? So it's like half a teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon for both sides.
Well, it's a little bit less. Just, a little bit, yes. A little bit less on this one. Really shake it well.
Okay.
So it's...
So a little bit under a teaspoon. And then, I don't know, you look at by the eye. As long as everything's covered, you're good. You know, that's my motto. If it's all, is that good? Do I need some more?
Nope, no need more. Less is better. If you need it later, you can add it. Okay. Now I'll go into a half a teaspoon of pepper on both.
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
On each side or total? Like is it half a teaspoon on this side and the back side?
And the back side, yes. Okay. That's right. Half a teaspoon.
Same thing, like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And once you start at your oven 350, literally takes, let me turn it for you. This way I'll wash my hands.
Thank you.
That's a great thing to have a helper. Thank you, Nathaniel, again. That's great.
So it's a half a teaspoon across both sides total. It's not half a teaspoon on one side, half on the other. It's combined across both sides.
Correct.
Just wanted to clarify that.
Let me turn it around. And then I'll wash my hands when we are ready. This way your hands are clean and mine will be clean soon too. You know, on
what's next?
One tenderloin we are doing with paprika.
How much?
About half a teaspoon on both sides. And on the one that we are going to use the Dijon mustard, we are not going to put a paprika. We're just going to let that taste of Dijon mustard shine and be the star. Let me turn it around. And always it's easier if you do with your hand, if you sprinkle.
Yeah, I don't really like doing it out of the teaspoon.
Not right now, yeah, but
it's not as fun. For demonstrating it to you guys, so I understand.
So we are done with the salt, we are good with the pepper, and the paprika has so many tastes in it that you will love the taste on this. Now, the other one, Nathaniel, I'll let you, it's about a tablespoon of mustard.
Am I doing it with this?
Yep, you can use that.
These are our new spoons. We got these from a company called Lurvz, L-U-R-V-Z. They're not paying us. They just sent it to us. I just wanted to clarify this is not like a paid thing. But they sent it to us. And I'm not going to lie, I was a little bit skeptical. But I actually do really like these. It comes in the whole pack and everything. So
you know what? It's nice because the spoon is pretty sturdy.
It is very sturdy. Yeah. That's the first thing I noticed. It was very sturdy.
And very easy to use it to scoop everything when you cook with that. So thank you again.
How do I do this?
Do you want to just dip it in there and just go around? Yeah, or just dump half.
Dump part of it?
Dump part of it and just go across, yes. And literally will take you 10 minutes to get this turkey tenderloins ready. By the time oven is 350, you'll be ready to go in the oven. And if you have time in the evening to do salt, pepper, everything, and next day you just put them in the oven, it's go perfectly. And it's saving you time.
I like to make sure it's all coated.
It's all coated? What do you think?
I would say that now it is.
Good.
It's all coated.
Good job, Nathaniel. Now let's do the other one. And the last step for the turkey tenderloin will be to wrap them in bacon. And today, while Nathaniel is doing that job, I'm going to tell you about the bacon. I did buy the Oscar Mayer, less salt, and it's delicious. Yes. So anytime I find it, that's what I prefer to do now. And if you're watching your salt, definitely is better for you. Let me push all this there. And now I'm going to let Nathaniel, I need 4 slices of bacon for each one.
Okay. I'm almost done with this part.
Yes,
I want to make sure I got all the Dijon on there and spread across.
Very nice. Now, I'm going to show you how I like Dijon. It's all done. Let me take this, all clean here. Throw in the sink. Good. Now, bacon part. We need about 4 slices to 3 for each tenderloin, and that will keep them nice and moist. The bacon will keep the tenderloin very nice. So what I like to do, Nathan, let's do one. I like to lay them this way. Which way would you say it's laying?
I don't know how I would describe that.
With the thick part on the starting, and then the thinner part goes under.
Oh, okay. So the thicker part on top.
Yes.
The top that you're gonna serve to the front.
So 3 slices look like it's perfect. Now I'm going to lift it with my hands this way, and
look at that.
It's all ready. If you want to just tuck them in like that. So do you see how nice it's covering exactly the bacon? It's wrapped like a little...
I don't know, like a little baby. I don't know.
I don't know, but it's perfect. So the bacon just goes to go right there. That's all we have to do for that.
So we don't have to put any like olive oil or anything on this?
No. The bacon
will... so easy.
Yeah.
This is way easier.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I do it like... Should I do it this way or this way?
Towards you.
Towards me?
Towards you, yeah. Just lay it down.
Okay.
1 slice. You might need 4 slices. You might need 3. If you wanted to just do the top, it's okay. But it's going to be a wonderful leftover. Remember, they're very good. Look how nice. And now, Nathaniel, would you just pick them up? Yeah, I know you have to get a little bit dirty.
Now, if I wanted to, could I do it like this?
Yes, you can do it like that, yes. And that's perfect. It's no wrong way doing it.
Well, what's sort of nice is that it sticks to the top, too, so you don't have to tuck it if you don't want to.
That's very true. And now just pick it up. Perfect.
Look at that.
So this is done. It's
great.
How is it?
That's way easier than I thought. We had this a few weeks ago, and I thought you were like slaving over this for hours, but it's like 10 minutes of work.
10 minutes of work, and it's delicious.
Yeah, the flavors you get out of it, it's amazing.
Yeah.
We actually have one done. Do we want to show it to them now?
Yes, we'll bring the one done, and I'll leave this one here.
Okay.
I thought we'll save time. Right, Nathaniel?
Yeah, because I mean, it's an hour and 20 minutes in the oven, and we would have to then wait an hour and 20 to come back to the camera. So we made our lunch with that. And we'll pop this one. Do you want me to put this one in?
I'll just leave him on the side to see how they look. Babette, are you sleeping today?
Yeah, he's not coming up.
Today?
He does not want to come up.
The gourmet baby.
Gourmet baby.
So Nathaniel?
I'm going to wash my hands while you show them.
Yes. This is an hour and 20 minutes exactly. Look at this beautiful look. And we started just like this. Look at this. Perfect. Nothing you have to do extra. Now, I'm going to bring also a thermos. What do you call this, Nathaniel?
I want to show it close to the camera. Can I pick it up?
Yes.
With my hand, or how do I?
It's hot. Isn't that too hot?
That's not that bad, but I'll still do it like this anyway. Or maybe we'll put it on a plate and I'll hold the plate closer to them
Yes.
when we're done.
I want to measure also inside. What is it showing, Nathaniel?
I can't see it that way. 189. Is that good?
And here it's saying, if you look.
165? Is
Yep.
that what that says?
Yeah. So
we're good. It's cooked.
Perfect. It's cooked.
Cooked.
You want to be sure that your chicken, turkey tenderloin today is going to be cooked. So it's a good gadget to use. It's all done. And Nathaniel, right here, right there. That's the plate. And I'll even cut the package for them to show how that looks.
Okay. See, what I do like about this thing is that you have a bucket that comes with it. So, it's nice. Ooh.
Ooh, look at
Whoa.
that, Nathaniel. Look.
Is
how
one of these
nice.
also with just Dijon and one just with paprika?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah. Same thing. Yes, we did.
Wow. I don't know if you're getting a glimpse of that or not.
It's still
Still steaming.
steaming. Yes.
Ooh. Oh.
Isn't that
Whoa.
great?
Wow.
And this is steaming too. Look at that. Can you see the steam? I just grilled a couple while you're doing the. Oh, yours is better. While you're doing the turkey tenderloins, do a couple of the peppers, grill them, and they go wonderful on the with this. I'm just going to show them like that, Nathaniel.
Oh, decorated. That's okay.
Decorated nice, yeah. I'm going to clean them, of course, and salt, pepper, vinegar, and it's done. Yes.
So when you're done with yours, pop it in the oven at what temperature?
350.
350.
An hour and 20 minutes.
Cook it for an hour and 20. Check the inside if you have a thermostat. Is there a way to gauge it by IMOM? Is it like when the bacon browns?
When the bacon browns. And if for any reason you even want it a little bit more brown, but it's perfect. I'll tell you, it's crispy. You can put it on the broiler maybe for 2 minutes.
Sure.
Would you do that, Nathaniel?
I actually no, because this is perfect
Yes,
in my eyes.
perfect,
This is
yes.
perfect. But if you
I
do
know.
like to broil things, then
That's okay too.
Go ahead.
And also I did a couple of the tomatoes. So while I was waiting an hour and 20 minutes, that's what I did. I grilled a couple of tomatoes also, and they'll go here.
wow.
And peppers, and it's ready. It's going to be a great feast for Christmas.
Christmas, yeah. Have this
So-
Christmas Eve.
Yes. Taste it,
What you want.
Nathaniel. Should I
Okay.
cut a small piece?
Okay.
Yeah. We'll taste it.
I'm tasting the Dijon version of it. I know it's Dijon because I can see it on there.
Yeah. I know. Isn't that
No other way to
great?
say it.
Should we show it inside how it looks?
Yeah.
It's steaming pretty good.
It
I
feels
know. It's delicious. I love the leftover also. How is it? Oh, don't you need a fork?
No.
Nathaniel, you need a fork.
I just washed my hands.
All right. How is it? Perfect?
Mm-hmm.
And how many steps? This will go in the
2 steps.
oven and we'll have extra.
What I like,
What do you like
and I
about
meant to
it?
tell you this when you made it the other day.
Yes.
A lot of times I don't like turkey because it's too dry.
Right.
But somehow, I don't know what it is, but cooking it this way like retains all the juices. I wonder maybe it's like the fat from the bacon gets into it.
Yes. That
And keeps. Is that
also.
really what it is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh wow,
Also,
cool.
the tenderloins are not really, it's the part under the breast of
So
the
it's
turkey.
a fattier cut.
It's a little bit tender cut. So I'm just going to oops, sorry. I'm just going to cut you to see how nice is this in the package. And the first time we heard about it was Donna, our friend, and Bob, thank you. They were discovering how good it is. We don't like big turkey anymore. So look at this part. Look how nice it's coming out of the... Yeah, that's okay. Because I'll go wash my hair. I just want to push this. Look at the 2 pieces. You don't believe how big they are in the package. Nathaniel, can you show it? My hands are dirty.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And follow directions.
These are thick breasts right there. Look at that.
Yeah. So I just wanted you to see how easy it is. Do the whole thing in the evening if you have time, if you're working or busy, and very less expensive to do this for leftover, or just cold cuts for Christmas. So with this one, we're going to say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good end of the year. We are all hopefully safe and all out of these corona problems. David, don't have him too close. Put him back, Nathaniel.
He wants the food.
Manja manja, pofta buna, and we'll see you before end of the year with one more recipe. Again, do the grilled peppers, do the tomatoes, have these wonderful cuts of meats, and what else can we say? Stay healthy.
Enjoy it. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Nathaniel, for helping.
Thank you for making this with me.
And it was Nathaniel's idea to come on board, so I appreciate it. Bye-bye.